Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to create a custom Apple Wallet pass using the new method. And it's actually easier than most people think. So first, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS so you don't run into issues. Then, head over to the App Store and download a Pass Creator app. Two good ones are Pass2U Wallet or Wallet Creator. Once you open the app, tap on Create New Pass, and here's where the fun starts. You can choose the type of pass, like a membership card, event ticket, or just go fully custom. Enter your details, add a barcode or QR code if you want it scannable, and personalize it with your logo, background image, and colors to make it look professional. When you're done, just tap Add to Apple Wallet, and the pass will immediately appear inside your wallet app. From there, you can pull it up anytime, edit it, or even create multiple versions if you need different designs. You now have a fully custom Apple Wallet pass that looks official and works just like the real thing. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.